Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and some people say diamonds are a girl's best friend, but for this girl, it's all about purses, totes, and handbags. And this super cute bag from Fancy Forest has quickly moved up to one of my favorite bags. Now, this is such a cute and modern design, and I love everything about it, from the beautiful khaki color to the handles that can be carried by to the adorable lettering on the front. This is the perfect tote bag. Now, this bag completely surprised me by the capacity that it has. It can hold everything that I need, whether I'm using it specifically to carry my computer, my iPad, anything like that on the go, or even just using it daily. I really love how spacious the interior main pocket is, but I also love that it has that zipper compartment as well as interior pockets on the inside. So you can wear it in a variety of ways. You can carry it simply by the handle. It also has a really nice removable strap that you can either wear over your shoulder or crossbody. I love that versatility about this tote bag. I also really love that it has a zipper top. I don't know about you, but I often tip my bags over and everything falls out of it. But having that secure zipper on top gives me peace of mind that my stuff is gonna stay put. This bag comes in so many colors, but I personally love this beautiful khaki color. It's very neutral, but it has a really nice deep tan look to it. Of course, I love the tote bag on the front. I think the lettering is perfect. It's really nice and centered, and it adds such a really cool and unique touch to this bag. So if you're looking for your next favorite tote bag, I would definitely check out the tote bag from Fancy Forest. But that's just my point of view.